Velo United States dollar exchanges closed $0.004 in a really significant manner. Velo explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo's EMA10 explicitly shows an in every way that really matters descending pattern, which especially is genuinely huge. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an especially enormous way. 25 October 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time in every way that really matters, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is certainly transient cost expectation for Velo. Especially is Velo a wise interest in an exceptionally significant manner. Velo support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the very current economic situations, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,266,797,359,948, which is genuinely critical. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $53,871,161,058 in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is very critical. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, or so they really thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time period, which by and that's what large shows Velo in a real sense, has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in a kind of significant manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.27 and at present exchanging at 56 cents in a genuinely enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market basically is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment, which truly shows that yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Velo specialized examination, in every practical sense. Let us explicitly discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a really broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an extremely enormous manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time period. Which basically shows that Velo explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers basically become sort of more kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Or so they truly thought. Similarly, obstruction essentially is a level at which dealers sort of become move truly dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they for the most part thought. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market record, Velo, all things considered, is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, certainly further appearance how Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. However, Velo in every practical sense has a value decline of 5.82% in every practical sense. Last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a kind of all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. So Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time span. Which certainly shows that Velo for the most part has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Velo Value Investigation Velo Cost Examination for 25 October 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, basically made sense of underneath. So similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become moves certainly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to sort of break down the future development of the Velo. Which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. The really relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is a 30, exceptionally further appearance how Velo's EMA10 basically shows a fundamentally descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo United States dollar moving kind of normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker in a real sense, is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment, for the most part sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath genuinely signal line which in a real sense, implies in a real sense, bears essentially are overwhelming on the lookout. So yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Velo specialized examination, let us discuss the ongoing economic situations, which basically is genuinely huge. While Velo's Williams %R pointer for the most part is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and in every way that really matters, momentary pattern by and large inversion in a real sense, is fundamentally conceivable in a very enormous manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, which generally is very critical. Velo certainly is moving in commonly descending heading as sort of bears effectively, especially take the coin beneath quick help level of $0.004, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. Presently Velo ought to explicitly track down a help at $0.004, or, more than likely, the merchants could then focus on the pivotal help level put at 0.